To fix Astro Base Station lights flashing. Follow this step-by-step guide. First, understand that flashing lights on your Astro Base Station typically indicate a problem with the device, such as a software issue, connectivity problem, or hardware malfunction. Begin by restarting your Astro Base Station. This is often the simplest solution to resolve the issue, as it can clear out any temporary software glitches. To do this, unplug the power cord from the back of the device. Wait for 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. If the lights continue to flash after restarting, check your internet connection. Ensure your router is working properly and that your Astro Base Station is connected to the internet. You can do this by checking the lights on your router or by trying to access a website on a different device connected to the same network. Next, check for any software updates for your Astro Base Station. Outdated software can cause flashing lights, so it is essential to keep your device up to date. To do this, open the Astro app on your smartphone or tablet, go to Settings, and look for any available updates. If the issue persists, try resetting your Astro Base Station to its factory settings. This will erase all your custom settings, so be sure to write them down before doing so. To reset, press and hold the reset button on the back of the device for 10 seconds. Then release. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be a hardware problem. In this case, contact the manufacturer or a professional for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the flashing lights on your Astro Base Station and get it working properly again.